Hey, Rob here for Quadratec.com. Today I've got a first look at our brand new Quadratec Baja HD Fender Flares for the 2018 and newer Jeep Wrangler JL. And we just released these Fender Flares at this year's previous SEMA show, and we've got them here ready for you now. They are compatible with all trim level Wranglers, and they offer increased tire coverage and tire clearance over all trim levels. Now, if you are upgrading from a Sport or Sahara, you're going to be gaining an additional 5/8 inch of tire coverage. They do measure the same width as the factory Rubicon Fender Flares. If you're upgrading from that Sport or Sahara, here's where they really shine. You're going to be gaining 3 additional vertical inches of tire clearance. If you're upgrading from the factory Rubicon Flares, you're still gaining an additional 3/4 inches of vertical tire clearance, which means you'll be able to run up to a 37-inch tire with the Baja HD Fender Flares with no suspension modifications. Now, these flares do install without the reuse of your factory inner fender liners, and that means you do have the option of combining them with your choice of metal inner fender liners available separately. They do come in this slightly textured black finish, and they're crafted from 2mm thick TPO material that's virtually indestructible. They're backed by our Quadratec limited 3-year warranty, and they're proudly made right here in the USA. Finally, a pretty unique feature of our Baja HD Fender Flares is the fact that they're reusing your factory turn signal and DRL light assemblies. So when you install these, you'll simply be swapping that light housing over from your factory flare into the Baja HD Fender Flares. And as you can see, once they're installed, they do get restyled with a slightly smaller, more aggressive looking profile. Now, if you guys want to get more information or to purchase a set of Baja HD Fender Flares for your Jeep Wrangler JL, you can click that info button to head over to Quadratec.com. Of course, if you have any comments or questions about the flares, you can always leave those for me down in the comment section below, or contact us directly at any of the options on the screen. And if you haven't already and you like these videos, do me a huge favor, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because we're gonna have a more detailed, in-depth look at the Baja HD Fender Flares coming very soon for you, along with a complete step-by-step how to install video as well. You're definitely not gonna wanna miss that. Till next time, I'm Rob. I'll see you guys out on the trail.